Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold gained 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's three main indexes slipped in choppy trading as a short-lived boost from a services activity survey fizzled out ahead of an upcoming employment report. The non-farm payrolls data for August is due on Friday amid worries of a slowdown in the economy, while focus continues to be on the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut. Crypto lobbying has skyrocketed over the past few years, with a handful of key companies driving advocacy efforts to influence legislators in the United States. Coinbase, for instance, has increased its lobbying expenditure by 3,475% over the past 7 years. The dollar was little changed against most majors in choppy trading after economic data offered some relief over the health of the US economy to a market looking for clues about the path of the Federal Reserve rate cuts.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's coincident index will be released at 5 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The Eurozone's gross domestic product will be released at 9 GMT, the US non-farm payrolls at 12:30 GMT, the US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.